into a story told without words. Ratan sir and Sai Kiran sir, your energy is a spark that lights up our spirits, making us want to jump for joy and embrace life with confidence. Sharmali ma'am, you have been our guiding light, showing us that classical dance is a flowing river of grace, discipline and timeless beauty. Beyond the steps and rhythm, you have taught us how to pour our hearts into every beat. You have given us the courage to express our deepest emotions through dance, turning the stage into a